Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Let's try on some new spring styles from Walmart. I love what I've chosen for you all, so make sure you watch the whole video. All the links are down below for the clothes. Let's get started. I'm wearing the Scoop women's cotton maxi dress with bow back. Comes in sizes extra small through 4X. It's 100% cotton and it feels like 100% cotton. So this comes in lavender and black, and it features this beautiful square neckline, the drop waist, and the beautiful ruching along the front and the back. I actually went a bit too large and I'm regretting it, so I would size down with this dress. It has a back zipper closure and it also has smocking, so that way you can pull the dress tighter. I really love that feature. And probably my favorite feature is the two side pockets. It's machine washable and again 100% cotton. I'm wearing the Scoop women's side slit dress. This comes in sizes extra small through double XL. And this is 100% polyester. Comes in black and white and this orchid color. Now, it really makes up for its material with the neckline. That is what drew me to this dress. I love the sweetheart neckline. It has a ruched bust and a smocked back bodice, and it's a hook and eye back with zip closure. It's machine washable and it does have two pockets. I'm wearing the Free Assembly sleeveless belted cotton dress. It is 100% cotton. This comes in two types of prints, so check out the link for the other one. Now, I love that it features this square neckline and the back is smocked. As far as sizing, I would stick true to size or size down. It has a hidden back closure and it's sleeveless, but at the same time, it's very bra friendly, which I love about it. Now, if you're not fond of this print, there is a second print that I wore in a different video and it's so darling, you need to check it out. And this is machine washable with pockets. We love our pockets. Comes in sizes extra small through 4X. I am wearing another dress by Scoop. This is the Scoop lace collar dress. Comes in sizes extra small through 4X. This is made of all natural fibers. Yes, you guys, I love that. It's 76% in cotton and 24% linen. This dress comes in colors pink, black, and two print versions, so check out the link below. Now, of course, my favorite is the sweetheart neckline. I love the lace trim also, and it is on the sleeves as well as the neckline. I love the bow detail. It is just so feminine and darling. Also features a smocked back and a back zip closure with a hook and an eye. It's machine washable and it comes with pockets. Yay! I am wearing the Time and True cotton eyelet top. It's 100% cotton. Comes in sizes extra small through 4X. This comes in yellow, black, and pink. I love the crew neck. I love the lace applique. That is so elegant. I love it. This is a pullover style, but it has a back button and a keyhole closure, so it's still very elegant. It's machine washable. Definitely get your true size. I actually went too small. I got an extra small. I wish I'd gotten a small. Now I've paired it with the Time and True linen pants. And these are the wide leg linen pants. They're 53% linen and 47% rayon. And these are machine washable, they have pockets, and they're the relaxed style with a high rise. And you pull these on, but they do come with this super cute bow tie. So very relaxed fit, very elegant but comfortable. With the pants, you're going to want to size down because they are such a relaxed fit unless you enjoy a very baggy linen pant. I've changed out of my Time and True top and changed into a No Boundaries pullover sweater. I'm wearing the No Boundaries boat neck pullover sweater. Comes in sizes extra small through double XL. And this is 60% cotton and 40% acrylic. It's machine washable with a cute boat neckline. And I love the long bell sleeves. So cute. This sweater really feels like a high quality sweater with a mid-weight feel to it. Now it has an open knit pattern and comes in yellow and cream colors. Now with it, I am again wearing the Time and True linen pants. I am wearing Time and True again. It's the Time and True women's puckered stitch cardigan. Comes in sizes extra small through triple X. It's 57% viscose, 24% polyester, 16% nylon, and 3% spandex. It is machine washable and has such a cute neckline, and I love these gold buttons down the front. I think it really elevates the look. It's puckered and ribbed texture, and I really love the puckered stitch quality to this sweater. Again, it really elevates the look of your typical cardigan. Now, along with this, I am wearing the most flattering jeans I think that were ever created. These are the Melissa Flares by Sofia Vergara. I love, love, love how high-waisted they are. I love that they flare at the bottom, and I love how forgiving and flattering they are. Are machine washable. They come in 30.5, 32.5, and 34.5 inseams, sizes 0 through 28, and they're just an unbelievable jean. I love them. So easy to care for. I have them also in a dark wash, which is so elegant. If you get one thing from this video, let it be this. You will love them. I am wearing one of my favorite dresses of this collection. It's the Mills by Millie Bobby Brown smock maxi dress. Comes in sizes extra, extra small through double XL. The material is 98% cotton, 2% spandex, so you are going to get a bit of a stretch, just a little bit. It's machine washable. It's pull-on styling, which I really love because it gives you that relaxed feeling when you wear it. It's very much a sundress. I love the plunge neckline, the tie detail. I love the open neckline. It's very versatile. Definitely fits true to size. This is a bit large on me. I wish I'd gotten the small. This is the medium. Such a cute dress and just so light and airy and elegant at the same time. Now I've swapped out the previous top for this adorable celebrity pink peasant blouse. This is by Celebrity Pink. It features pink puff sleeves. It comes in sizes extra small through triple XL, 52% rayon, 48% cotton. It feels so high quality. It does not look like it comes from Walmart. And I love the neckline. I love the cute bow detail. I love the ruching right before the waist. And I love this faux peplum. So flattering on every figure. And having said that, this brings me to the close of today's video. Let me know down below, what other clothing styles do you want me to feature? What other brands are you interested in? Let me know down below. Remember, all my links are affiliate links. When you click them, I make a small commission. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye!